of fun. We've never had this weather. And then over there it's sunny and it'll be a beautiful day. Just came out of nowhere though.
Light's coming straight up.
Oh, I wonder if I got that. Oh, the one out on the roof there. It's a yellowknife hurricane. Your thoughts, feelings?
Ooh, scary. Oh, scary.
Not scary as the kid crying for 18 hours straight.
Oh, sick. How about people pushing the berry the carriage? Is it lightning like that?
Oh, would want to be them walking into what they're walking into. It never rains in Yellowknife. Seems like all it does is rain lately. Global warming my buttocks. Lake's kind of decided it doesn't like this either. Well, to us this is interesting. Because we never get this stuff here. Or as Greg would say, you know, everything's moving to the west. Might blow by us. Might blow by. It is totally blowing by though.